This video shows the new export formatted Excel version of the cross-project Gantt chart that is now available in Project Insight. As you know, you can export your reports by running the report first in PI, and then up in the top right there's the export arrow to Excel, which some reports have formatted and some have unformatted options. In the cross-project Gantt chart, you are able to export the formatted version of the report, and that will not only give you the bars, but it will give it to you in the same format or a very close format in which you exported it. So if I export this one, export to Excel here, it's going to pop out down at the very bottom here, which will then allow me to open up the file, and I've got the example here. You can see that the colors did export the date as today's date, or the line for today, also exported. You can also see that on the settings for my export, I have limit the Gantt chart display to the specific dates. That means it's going to only show me today or this year from the 1st to the 31st of the year, even though the projects may overlap into 2020 or 2022. So as you can see here, I've got the consulting, I've got them grouped by project type, and then I've got the line as well as the completed, which is the black line is the completed duration or completed work hours within the project duration. For more information about how to run the cross-project Gantt reports or their filters, please check out further documentation in our PI channel.